Hey, what's up? It's Dakota. I'm in Cartersville, Georgia today, and what you're about to see on this video is probably going to end bad, but we're out here anyways. So if you clicked on the video, you know why you're here. We are checking out the abandoned plane. It's located in Cartersville, Georgia, south of town. Here's the major problem with this. It already says no trespassing. Now, here's the thing. There's a pathway there. They completely cuts off. Nobody's driving past this point. Only people that's going to be walking is people. Is this a bad idea? Probably. Am I going to do it anyways for the sake of the video? And also the sake of my, young, invincible self? Yeah, probably. Alright, so if I see any cameras, I'm obviously turning back. I'm just going to follow the road. See where it leads. There's already kind of like a trail here anyways, which I'm not sure where it leads to. I'm looking for a meadow with an opening that will lead me to this abandoned plane. There's an opening beyond the trees there. I hear a plane though, which is very ironic. Where the fuck am I? Gonna be one of those videos, huh? I don't see anything though. I know something's obviously been here. Let's check that out. I just don't know what's around. But there's definitely something over there. Zoom up. Yeah, right over there. Alright, now we're on something. Bunch of graffiti out here. But we're definitely close. We're definitely close. But holy shit, check it out. There's a deer. I literally just saw a deer. I don't know if I caught that on camera or not. But whoa, this is insane. Check that fucking shit out. Okay, we're highly close now. By the way, a lot of this old area was just where they dumped off a bunch of debris. So always fun to learn about. It said to look for what was it? Look for a meadow, which I think is ahead of us, maybe? That's crazy. Never walked through one of these before. I don't even know what this is. Wild. Alright, so I backtracked, and I'm now back at the road where this thing apparently forks off. Let me go that way. literally have no idea where to go. Also, my hair's probably a mess, but I mean, it's gotta be nearby. It don't just vanish. You know what I mean? And there's obviously signs of life out here. So, where is it? Apparently, as you can see on this side of the screen, they took the plane October 21st, October of 2021. I'm kind of pissed off, I'll be honest. Yeah, I'm sad. I'm sad now. But you know what? We're gonna make the most of today. I got a game plan. And by game plan, I mean shoot a random video in Cartersville because I am that bored. Yeah, no. No. Instead, I just went to go see a friend of mine and said, screw this. Yeah, that's not working out. I currently have no idea where I am. We're just out here walking. Vlog. You know, complete seriousness here. I don't even know how they managed to like take the plane. I guess they just took it out because of like security reasons, but I don't fucking know. So, change of plans. I'm going to Douglasville to meet up with a friend of mine, my original plans for today, and I'm gonna call it quits on the video whenever I reach Douglasville. But this is a random video. Anyways, I got an hour drive, so let's do it.